Hi, I want to show you a video presentation of what the pop-on veneers have done for my smile. Now, if I take them out, check this out. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Not a pretty smile. I put them in. I can eat with whatever I want to eat with. It makes me feel confident. I can take pictures. I feel like a whole new person. And it only took 2 weeks to get everything going. Once I got my impressions, and they did a step-by-step video to help me, to show me how to do the molding. And it was very professional. It was sent off. They did a digital laser scan. They will be durable. They look real. And they're affordable. Until you can get dental implants, there's something that will give you your smile back. And thank you, Pop On Veneers, because that's what you've done. You've given me my smile back.